Ah, vale, vale, perfecto. Sí, eso que pensaba, pero deja igual falta algo. 19. Tuve que escribir a AliExpress. Me dije, mira, hace esto o lo otro. Dijeron, no te preocupes, te devolvemos el dinero, sin problema. Dear client, dijeron. Me sentí muy bien. Dear client, ahora te mandamos el dinero, no te preocupes. Neighbor. Oh shit. Neighbor, oh, lo, neighbor. Oh. Let's go for them. Sneaky boy.
Request smoke on my grid point.
Let's find a better. Let's find a better weapon. Not bad. Ooh. Where are you? You gotta be inside the house still. Did your game crash, buddy? How about your life? Oh my god. I tried to open the parachute. That's so bad, man. Stupid. Oh, I died so far away now. Unfortunately. It was very low, dude. We had... Idiot! Oh my... What were you waiting, man? Oh shit. He was waiting for me to kill that guy. Let's go. Le 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 le. La 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 la. Idiot. Oh. That was so funny, man.
Drop zone coming up. On the ground, take out everyone in the target area. All monitors needed, so
Go, go, go. This is my favorite spot. Let's go. Jump.
you are good to go to deploy. Call it.
I don't need a sniper. Why it doesn't work sometimes, man?
All right. Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Let's kill this guy. I think he doesn't know we are here.
Burn line incoming. Clear out while you can. New mission available.
Goodbye. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. I'm so hollow. He's fighting.
Check your missions.
Why did you stop? Gotta be careful. Come get it.
Reference grid, need immediate fire support.
Roger that.
Don't move, don't move.
Stand by.
Why are you running now?
Stay put if you don't mind toxic fallout. Otherwise, get a move on. You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Who killed him? Poor guy. He was mine. Let's see if he's gonna come.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
He's going to camp. I don't know where he is.
Need immediate support. Grid marked.
Affirm. On the way.
Where are you now? Where are you now? Man, these people are so sneaky. Holy shit, man. How do you shoot like this?
Square yourself away. You're headed back in.
Ah, you were late. I got your loadout, buddy. Man, what is this camper level? Please.
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
Come on. All right. I think we almost killed him, but no worries. Darun, 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 dararararara. Well, we are not playing well. I think it's time to be camper as well, huh? we cannot deal against campers. They are very, very good campers, very pro campers. How do you deal with these guys? I think we almost killed him.
It's go time. Gather intel and stay alert as new missions come in. I'm counting on you. You are clear to jump. Go at your discretion.
La ra 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 ra. La ra 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 ra. Why are you reloading, buddy? I was still here. Oh, he had a good pistol. I got it. You had no ammo.
Solid find on that intel. Keep digging for more. You've got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
All right, let's go.
Request Overwatch. Grid is indicated.
Good, it's indicated.
Roger that. Stand by.
Oh, there's a poor soul in the open.
Make your way to that point.
Easy to kill. Where did you go, man? I'm sure he went prone. Was very close. I'm coming for you.
Incoming infestor rolling in.
Man, this guy's fast.
There's a new mission on the way. Review your briefing.
Sorry, buddy.
Big win with that intel. Keep it up.
Next one.
You got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
Need eyes on my lock stat.
Nice. So many scans.
Is inbound. Hang tight.
Why I cannot heal? What the heck? Holy shit, there are so many teams. There's a guy in the outside.
Rally on that location.
Heads up. You got a new
Is it the
mission
same guy?
incoming. Check your
Could
briefing.
be. Come on, man. Holy shit. That's crazy, man. I don't think he healed. Good job.
Square yourself away. You're headed back in.
Oh shit. Can I get this?
Is up. It's marked on your map.
Mark.
It's gonna be so risky. Let's kill this guy first. Maybe.
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Who's shooting? Man, this guy gotta be cheating. This guy gotta be cheating. I don't think this guy is. I don't think this guy is
Regroup
legend.
for the next stop.
Let's see. I don't think this guy is legend. He's Russian, no? No. This is not the guy who killed me. I'm confused. Let's see. Careful. He's so fast. I'm really confused. This is not the guy who killed me. It was the other guy who was on the mountain. Probably he died to other guy who was in the house. I don't know, I don't know. And the weapon he's using is Scar, right? Probably this guy is not the guy who killed me. La da la da la da la da la da la. What are you doing, man? This is crazy. And he's still alive. Holy shit. And I don't see his kills. That's really so weird. That's so weird, man. He's terrible, but somehow he has great aim. Holy moly. And his game got crashed. Maybe banned? Maybe he got banned. La 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 la. 10 players? Come on. Guys, there's not enough players. So what should we play? Let's play some normal games. Ay, ay, ay.
Be advised, hostile attack is inbound. Our communication terminals must be protected.
Where are they?
Contact! Enemy tank!
Gotcha. No way. Medic.
Position is needed on the marked objective.
Medic. Did we kill that guy? Oh my god.
I need a fucking medic!
You won't come? I don't see him.
Defensive position is needed on the marked objective.
Spot an enemy base!
We need to go to the objective, man. Oh no. Khalido, help me. Don't die, Malis.
We need defensive support on the marked objective.
What the? What? He was next to me. No medics.
Fuck! Need a medic!
I don't understand, man. That's the thing.
Okay, be advised. Enemy
I could raise you, man.
your area. Over.
Okay, we're gonna pick the tank.
Our attack has reduced enemy numbers.
Enemy explosives on Alpha have been defused.
We gotta heal.
We have lost Bravo. Enemy forces have captured our position. Get ready to defend the sector.
Oh, it finished.
You're leaving the combat area.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know, sorry.
Be advised, hostiles are attacking. Hold them here and deplete their forces.
Sorry.
Hold on! We need to defend the marked objective.
The enemy have set
No, it was Express.
Alpha.
Thank you, buddy. Oh, there was one more behind. Solo guy here, on me. Reviving.
Enemy explosives on Alpha have been defused.
Don't die, man, don't die.
Contact! Enemy tank!
Man, stop it.
Fucking head! Knew you had my back.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Marked objective is under threat. Defend the position.
Gotcha. Oh, you're dead.
Hostiles have set explosives on Bravo.
Enemy hit!
Hostile explosives on Bravo have been disabled.
We need defensive support on the marked objective. Enemy infantry!
Our offensive has reduced enemy numbers.
There's someone here.
Enemy charges set on objective Alpha. Our troops have defused the enemy charges on Alpha.
Contact! Enemy vehicle located!
Oh no. Selam Kati, hoş geldin, welcome. Başlı Johnny. Don't die, man. I'm coming. Don't die.
The enemy has lost most of its forces.
Rajan? How are you? They're coming. They're coming.
Extra med supplies here.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh shit. Thank you, buddy.
Med supplies here.
I was reloading, dude. Bas Brajan, Spas Asbashim. There are two guys on the on A.
Explosives on Bravo.
No, this is bad. This is bad. We are gonna lose. We are gonna lose. We have tried too much.
Contact! Enemy tank!
Disarm one. Nice.
To the marked objective. Enemy explosive diffuse on objective Bravo. The enemy has eliminated Alpha.
Oh my goodness. I'm tired. I came from the outside. I was sitting near a mall. All right. Hope you had fun.
Marked explosives on objective Bravo.
Had a wonderful day, brother. Ride a lot. I'm healing you. I'm healing the tank. Don't be scared.
Enemy charges on Bravo have been defused.
Oh man, come on. I'm sorry, just illusion. Oh yeah, oh yeah. University deed. Really? Do you think that? I think it's just a perspective issue. You can also enjoy the life. Maybe that's what you see from the outside. Maybe they are not enjoying life. We don't know. We don't know. We were rock you. Go, go, go. Oh, I don't like this optic, man. Vamos a babas. Gotcha. Where do you think you're going? I'm coming to die. I'm lying. Anyone else? This map looks
Throwing frag!
very bright. Kill that guy. My God. One more is coming behind me, man.
You're leaving the battlefield. Return to combat. We are ahead of the enemy.
What's going on?
Frag out!
I got you.
Let's go!
De nada. You died, buddy? You died. I think because they are like little ones who listen their fathers being 23 is definitely bad. I don't like this optic, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. I shot. Kto brał z Nidanem? I don't know. He's camping now. Where did you go, man? He's camping somewhere here. I heard his footsteps. I think we all have to find a way to enjoy life. Oh shit! Who killed me?
I got you!
Get up! Get up! Are you gonna die? Oh my god, this guy is crazy. How I died to this one, man. I hate this weapon, man. I wanna change it. I hate this optic. This is crazy. Terrible. Here we are, face to face. La 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 la. Da 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 da. Dun da dun. Dun da dun da da dun dun. How was your day? No, actually today was working day. So I had to go to work. man. I just picked. Today I was working, brother. I just took my little daughter to the park, and that's it. I had a coffee. I had a coffee, and that's it. I didn't even pick this fight, man. I don't understand whom I'm shooting, who's shooting me. That's crazy. Maybe we can also try sniper. Go, go, go.
We have taken the lead.
All marked, guys. All marked. That's good, my friends. I was reading your message. That's good. My friend studies in the university. Probably I'll meet her after months. Really?
We have maintained our advantage.
Is she your close friend? Gotcha. Nah, sniper sucks. You like it? Huh? You like it? Let's see, where are they?
You're on target to win the fight.
Idiot.
Keep attacking on all fronts.
Ooh. Ah, your girlfriend.
5 hostiles left. Eliminate them.
Is she Kurda? Kurda money. Well, they hope you guys be happy together.
I got flares!
GG's. I really miss my people. من قلب خربية خاركي خوكرية. غريبي زوره غريبي زوره غريبي زوره Ay lele وزن زانم وره چه خوشم قد وره Ay lele وزن زانم وره از زانم وره اره You're planning what? You gonna plan? You plan to go to visit her? I go to Starbucks. The guy asked me, tall or small, for a cup of tea. He thinks I'm Kurdish. I can't understand the English language. Nah, bruh, nah. Please don't apologize for that. No, no, no. I just mean I was distracted, and I got killed. It wasn't because of you. I went to Starbucks. The guy asked me, tall or small, for a cup of tea. He thinks I'm Kurdish. I can't understand the English language. What do you mean? Don't you live in Elazığ? Where do you live? The guy in Starbucks was speaking in English? Because you don't speak Turkish? That's what you mean? That's crazy, man. You're speaking in English.
You've got unknown shooters.
That's saçma bura.
Consider everyone.
That's saçma.
Stay alert for updates.
Slavo hemu herdu. O dezgirtiyate u bote. Let's go right here. La 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 la. La 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 la. No, I don't know, man. It's been 10 years, more than 10 years. I haven't been in Turkey. Young Kurdistan. Oh, I'm a sniper, man. No. No way. I'm a sniper. I'm no longer engineer. I have had pickups done. We can board the plane.
You've got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
What the heck? That's a complete phrase, not a word. So they basically speak in English? Wow. Turkish always has been like this, man. They always try to, how can I say, pretend to be different. I don't know why. Leave yourself behind.
You've got a new
Come on,
mission
campus. Where are you, man? Give me a mission. Did I do a mission? There is no weapons, so we don't care. Let's see. There are people here. I don't see anyone. They're probably here.
Bound over to that location!
Hostile dropping near your location.
Where did you go, man? Oh, here.
Make your way to that point! Get over to that waypoint!
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
This guy's close by, so we need to focus on this guys. Is he inside or outside?
New mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Good job, Human. I was confused, man. We have some traps. Wait. Someone is gonna die.
New mission available.
Shotgun.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Flashlight.
Don't linger.
Leave yourself behind. Come to me, come to me.
Check your mission.
Welcome and goodbye. Oh shit. Sniper.
Request smoke on my grid point.
Roger. On the way.
Yes, Bram. I don't use too much, but yes. I have Instagram. Where are you, man? If you provide me your name, I can search for your name. Oh my god, how do you see me?
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
That's my bad, man. I was just trolling. I was just trolling. But don't pronounce on the... No, I don't.
Good to go. Sending you back in.
I'm not gonna make you famous, you know? 10,000 people watching, you know? I'm not going to make you famous.
Got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
What the fuck are you doing there, man, idiot?
Enemy landing near you. Take a pay.
And he died. The guy was chasing me, he died. Man, please let me kill this guy. I don't know where he died. I don't care. Win the weapon and... Phew. We have ace track. Wayle wayle malamin.
Check your missions.
I got you, man. I found you. Yes, I did. I really need my loadout. Probably will not make it. It's kind of far away. I think I won't make it.
New mission details.
I don't like my weapons.
Heads up, we got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Oh, it's too late.
Heads up, enemy dropping into your area.
Man, I'm the sniper, not the sniper. I'm dead. I'm dead. I knew it.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Is he outside?
Enemies landing near you. Okay.
What the heck was that? Oh my goodness, man. We got a weapon now. Nice.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Okay, let's go. Is it shotgun? No. Yes, man. I don't need a sniper. I don't need a shotgun.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
I think I heard the footsteps from here. Oh. Never mind. Hola, Copi. Bienvenido. ¿Qué tal estás? Guapa.
Eyes on a machine gun.
I don't have any more missions for you, but that doesn't mean it's safe out there. Keep your guard up. Hostile dropping near your location.
Reference good. Need immediate fire support.
Bayfern, on the way. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there
I'm
for
going,
long.
I'm going, I'm going. Man. What were you doing here? Shotgun. What the heck? You remember him, buddy? You killed me previous match.
Half the fight's behind you. Don't let up.
Sniper contact.
Sniper contact. Come on, man. You idiot. He wants to kill me. Look, he's coming towards to me. I'm here. He has head glitch, bitch. Oh shit, that's not good, man. I didn't expect that. He came so fast. Alright, I'll be back 1 second.
You're not done with the fight yet, but getting close.
He had better advantage. He had high ground. I really enjoy this weapon. This one. But let's see if we can put a different map. We have 6x. I need this one. Or this one. It requires 33 level. Just 10 level more and I will have the favorite optic. So just give me a few minutes, I'll be back. Yes, I know GTA 6 is coming out. I don't know if it's gonna be good or a disappointment. We don't know. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Man, I went to the kitchen. I prepared myself as salad. And the match hasn't started yet. Crazy. Some people fail to see it. Lol, they gone. What do you mean? You what, bro?
We're closing in on the drop zone. Now we need to find out what's going on, so keep comms open. You're cleared hot, so engage anything that moves.
You mean Battlefield? No, GTA?
To jump. Time to get dirty.
Man, this guy is probably hiding.
Heads
As
up.
usual.
Mission updates just came in.
Request FMV over my position.
Let's see where he is.
I read you. Here it comes.
He's not here. He's gone. Oh, I see.
Good work. Keep digging out there and secure everything you can find.
They are all there because GTA.
Overwatch requested on my grid.
Copy. Stand by.
Oh my God, he's here. Goodbye. There's someone else right in front of me. What the heck? What the heck is this?
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in.
Bye, bitch. Oh, nice. We have a sniper. Brilliant. Man, you. That people died before they see GTA 6. I think it doesn't matter anymore.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Kharabi, huh?
That zone's heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Camper guy left. Position. Huh?
Enemy contact in my AO!
You mother. Oh my god, man. Stop this campers, man. Stop this campers, please. Oh, nice. We don't have armor. There. Ah. No, don't do that.
Request smoke on my grid point.
Roger that. Stand by.
And I died to another guy. Oh my god. This is a terrible experience, man. Holy shit.
You're out. Better luck next time.
That was terrible, man. How many people shoot me at the same time? One was behind me, one on the left side. I smoked. And I died to another guy. There were 4 guys. Crazy, crazy. All good, all good. All good. Başbu. Wili mala menelelele. What do you think about this solution, Kurdish question, Turkey? Do you think there is gonna be a solution? I hope all political prisoners will be released with this solution. Nereye koydu inşallah. Bro, do you hear me? Do you use ChatGPT? You know what? It translates everything perfectly. Millions of Kurds are half of the Turkey, but all of them jump at the same time.
Alright, approaching the drop zone.
So there, I think
Hostiles are swarming
it's going
the
to
area.
be
Expect heavy resistance.
very.
I'll update you on the ground as info comes
I understand
in. Good
our
hunting.
people is worried because this might be a big lie. I don't know, man. They have done many fake stuff in the past,
Time to get dirty.
so hopefully it's not going to be one of this. Oh yeah, I was trying to explain you that I see that you are trying to speak English always, texting, etc. I strongly recommend you to use ChatGPT. Where have you gone, buddy? Yeah, you better go out. Oh, go up. I was friendly, to be honest. To be honest, I was really friendly. I didn't want to kill him. Holy shit.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Man, what is this house? I don't have ammo.
Got a new mission for you.
I mean, the
Details
Kurdish
on your map.
population is too much, but they cannot do anything. We cannot do anything. They are prisoners because they defend the right of Kurds
Check your
in
map
their
for new mission
cities.
details.
We have state everything will be better. Of course, bro. Of course. The whole problem is that we don't have that thing at the moment. That's the problem. That's the problem, brother.
Toxic blaze inbound. Watch your route.
Professionally, to the language that you want it to translate. Huh? What the heck? Oh my goodness, man. Oh my god. That's terrible, man. It's terrible. They are prisoners because I believe
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
this is a terrible game, I swear. Corro, من بوخ الزرق دي زير 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 من بوخ الزرق دي زير من بوخ الزرق دي اه ايش رايك كرة 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 كرة
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay. New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
To be honest, I don't like this weapon now. Wallah. I don't like this weapon. Long phrases, long.
Check your missions.
Poor guy. اوسع دون تراكس ما يسو دون تراكس تاتا طب bueno
Strike in your vicinity. Move. You got a new mission ready.
alright there's zero sound zero
It's over. Regroup for the next stop.
delicious hey alright. Let's go.
All right, you're good to go for deployment. Post up. Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
What sort of games should we play? I'm open for your suggestions. Pues mira, ya que me pediste, me dijiste que hay helados, yo también quiero. Oh, oh, oh.
Missions updated. Review them when you can.
Goodbye. Idiot. Play Kurosai. But tell me what games you should we play. Marksman. Oh, these weapons are both SMGs. Yeah, I think it's a good game. Can still play it. It's a good game.
We've got a new mission ready. You have a
Hi,
hostile
Unique.
jumping onto your position.
How are you, buddy? Where's the sniper?
Request overwatch. Grid is indicated.
How are you guys?
On the way.
Oh, he's here. No? There's one guy in the open.
Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
Captain, you gotta wake up, man.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Oh. Gotcha. He's getting away. Ah, come on. Goodbye. What up, Unique? Finally a Battlefield player? Or no? Guys,
Heads
why
up.
are you
Check your
playing
map for
so
new mission details.
camper, man? Why these people are so camper? I know there was a sniper.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
Enemy infantry. Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
He's close, he's close.
That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel. Use it. Way to hit Pater. Intel like this can make all the difference.
Position marked. Send it.
Yeah, you got it.
There's someone,
On the
right?
way.
He didn't die, man. What are you doing? Where did you go? Gotcha.
New mission available.
You bitch, come here. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Sniper.
Kick it up a notch. You've got a lot of targets out there.
What's a grenade? Another smoke. I don't know where's the sniper. Man, this game is hard. Believe me. This game is disgusting, man.
Is up. It's marked on your
This
map.
game is disgusting. Bye bye. One more. Stop it, please. I heard footsteps.
Reference waypoint. Move.
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Target marked. Fire for effect.
Roger that. Fast mover inbound. Stand by.
You're gonna die, man. This guy is so aggressive. I'm sure he's still somewhere here because he wants his loadout. I swear this is so annoying, man. Where did they go? Okay, we're gonna go to zone. The zone is closing. Delicious.
Check your missions.
Enemy contacting my AO.
You're out of second chances. Light them up and stay in the fight.
No second chances, so we have to be careful. Replay. Got a bar next time. It's late today. Okay, we can.
Reference grid. Need immediate fire support.
Roger. On the way.
All right, we missed. We missed.
Marking location for support.
A-firm, on the way.
Found an open Vic.
Oh, oh. Yeah, I mean, what should we play next game? Next day? Tomorrow, what should we play tomorrow?
Got a new mission ready.
Contact.
Don't do that. Goodbye.
You're all done with missions.
That's
Drop
me.
hostiles, stay alive.
Need immediate smoke cover.
Smoke is on the way. Get ready.
It's our opportunity to run away. Oh. Idiot.
Clear him out. Need smoke now.
Oh.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
Gonna get you, buddy.
Half the fight's behind
Goodbye.
you. Don't let up.
One more? I'm going to lose my mind.
Request fire mission. Over.
Copy. Stand by.
Oh, I missed a lot.
You're out. Better luck next time.
Assassin's Creed Mirage in Iraq and Baghdad, but you can also play God of War. Hmm. Good idea. I think I need a fresh game. I need a fresh game, a new game. If you like Assassin's Creed Mirage, I played one game of that game, Assassin's Creed, in 2009 maybe,
Stay sharp.
an old one. So I can try a different game if you like. y comprar algo de tu tienda. Vale. Let me show you my. Oh, you already see it. We have so many games, man. So many. What the heck? This is this is Fortnite. Ah. Both have the same icon. I didn't want to play the game. Any play you play any Assassin's game, okay? Let's see if I have any Assassin's game, man. In Epic Games. I don't think I have it. I have this one. It's a good game. We have so many games. These are free games that I kept collecting from the offers. Let me know if you have any weapons that you like. Say you, say me. What is this? Oh, this is multiplayer. If you had a PC, we could play this game together. This was the game I played in the past. Unfortunately, I have no Assassin's game. Probably this was the one I have played in the past. No. None of this. These are my games on Steam. This is a cool game, man. This is a very cool game. I don't know if you like this kind of games. Wait, we could play story game of Battlefield, man. Yes. We can play story game mode of Battlefield. It's story game as well. Yours. Delicious. Yeah, man. This is a good game, I guess. The story of this game is good too. Now we fight Ottomans? What do you mean? وده مالا اوتومان وتركا وتاترو وتاتركا همش خرابكه وده مالا با خرابكه ان شاء الله. وده مالا با خرابكه. Okay, but now we are going to play Battlefield's story game mode. I haven't finished this game. Öyle. Bro Beyna Agiri dedi Nagiri. Yeah. See. Okay. I think this is gonna be fun. No. I played this game in my main account, maybe half of it, but this is my second account and I haven't played this game before. So it's going to be from the beginning. We can finish it together, okay? What's up, wait.
Good evening and welcome. Straight into our headline story. Georgia tonight. NATO out. Pax Armada in.
Yok, czekaj, come dicendo, mira che
NATO collapsing.
Pax Armada's peaceful expansion ends.
Whatever comes next, it's not diplomacy.
On the ridgeline, that is not out.
Ordering us to leave.
All right, let's go. Probably outside you surround the fire. Yeah, I just went to check. Yeah,
How we keep the peace.
it smells weird. Maybe there's a.
And they're redeploying us.
Murphy, regional command's got an update, boss.
Too bad it's not going to me go kick
Alright.
those Pax Armada shitheads off our doorstep.
Let's go to action.
The enemy. Read your briefings.
Well, then command should find us an enemy. You backing servers isn't word for raiders?
Offensive cyber capabilities, Blake. SAP level shit. If you read as much as Martinez, you'd stop bitching about the wrong
Let me know,
Georgia.
please, if you.
Yo, this is BS. We build up all these cyber defenses, then Georgia says, ship out. We're giving the base to Pax Armada. And NATO just rolls over?
That's politics. NATO's not up to a fight
That's
with the worst
politics.
PMC in Europe.
We are. Tag us in.
Look, I'd love to teach Pax a lesson. But if staying here might kick off World War III, I don't want it that bad.
Well, maybe Command's got a plan.
Wait,
Change options.
what the heck was that?
Menu.
Graphics. Field of view. Of course, this is a. This game has different settings. Oh my goodness.
Moving up! Stay on me!
Keep it moving, Blake! Got him!
There's gonna be more. Boss, we need to get undercover.
Move.
Hey, buy ourselves some time. Let's get inside.
You enjoy Murphy? He's a good guy. Oh my goodness. What's going on?
I'm okay. Here's a no-go, but we got a ride.
How are you okay, man? How are you okay?
Good enough.
Wow, you know his name.
Pax is focused on the base, but our mission hasn't changed.
What the heck?
Berkeley, go! We need another exit.
Go. Start to aim. Oh shit. Run.
Okay, that's one more.
Pax one's us cut off. Right away through. What do you think I'm trying to do?
Damn.
Engineer, KIA. We need an assist.
Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen.
This is Master. What's happening? Can't read the commander.
I need you and your snipers to reposition above Site 2 and run Overwatch.
Copy, Tempest.
Lightning, this is Tempest Actual. Stand by for a precision
I will take down.
We can still get a win.
Caution, Tempest. We're seeing armored vehicles ahead of you. Fuck!
Berkeley, take us off-road.
The thing sounds like
But I think it's the bit rate.
we may as well be tooting an air horn.
Drop us here.
We see you. We're at the overlook up ahead.
Berkeley, I need you to look for more survivors.
What about now? Is it better?
Adios. Good luck.
Has to be better now.
Murphy, glad you guys made it.
Likewise, Jackson. How we looking?
Pax artillery and vehicles below. Lightning is slowing down Pax reinforcements, but they got a window to give us air support. You're JTAC Kern, huh?
You know it. Let's get him away from our servers. You got a laser designator ready to go? All right. Their turn for a surprise attack. Lightning 1, this is Tempest Actual. Targets in place for attack aviation. Over.
Copy.
Laser on. Lasing.
Steering now. Steering captured. Confirm no friendlies in target area.
Confirmed. Fire mission when ready. Over.
Launching now.
Strike confirmed.
Dang.
No.
Lightning 1, do you read? Lightning 1.
gone, Martinez.
Jets. Someone sold them jets.
I have lowered the bitrate.
We can't evac the servers under that kind of
I have
fire,
lowered
and we
it
can't
to-
let PAX capture them. So we destroy those servers before they compromise NATO.
I have lowered it to 14k.
Got enough C4 to take out
10k
Site 2 and
less.
leave PAX swinging in
Maybe
the
you
wind.
need to
Any input?
close YouTube and come back. Close YouTube, close completely.
Birds in the shit for coming up with it.
Come on, guys, let's go. Okay, we go sneaky, 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 sneaky.
Engage! Send it to him, Marines! Hostiles closing in on Site 2! Cover it!
No!
Enemy vehicles in sight.
They want this place bad!
Anyone on the ground?
Duke 1-1, this is Tempest. We'll need evac soon from Site 2.
Copy that, Tempest. Need to circle to evade enemy aircraft.
Copy. Approach when able.
We got Tangos down below.
I'm very low.
Enemy in cover! Ammo, resupply.
Stop it, man.
PAX tried to block the entrance. Not much of a try.
We can get in if we move that crap out of the way.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Ammo here.
I got you, boss. Clear inside.
Can't believe they were still building this place. Or the CIA acting for an extension.
Okay. No telling what's in here.
No movement.
Lights on. Stay alert.
The commander said Pax was preparing to take control, not rolling in an armored division.
Hey, not here.
The
They must have been working on a server evac. And PAX got the jump on them.
is it working better now? Is it better now?
Reloading!
Oh my god, no.
Bastards were settling in.
Yeah, the bit rate was so high. Probably that's why it happened. The more your bit rate is high, the better image quality. Image quality.
Copy that, Duke 1-1.
No?
Meet us on the roof.
If you increase the
Watch your heads.
if you increase the bitrate, the stream quality is better. But of course, if others have no good connection, then it will keep buffering, you know, keep loading. Okay, perfect, perfect. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, it was so high. The bit rate was way too far, too low, too high.
More support pillars. Wire them up.
Copy that.
Let's get to the roof of Revac, then blow this place.
Spotted pack setting a rappel line in the elevator shaft.
We'll take it.
Hey, you could do rappel, Armstrong?
Anything you could do, I could do.
Jackson, are your people close?
We'll chase the evac, but it's gonna be tight.
Secure yourselves, Tempest.
Clear ahead! Clear! Tempest, you got PAX reinforcements on ascent. They're wide.
Man, these guys are crazy. No, still. Oh my god.
Sniper neutralized.
I'm going to get high ground. Oh, there's no way. What up, buddy?
Eliminated.
Ooh. Oh my god, what a grenade.
Sniper eliminated. Reloading.
You better not to reload. Go.
Not done. Stay focused.
I'm dying. Am I dying? No.
Sniper neutralized. Let's go, Marines. That C4 is still hot.
Go, 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 go. Am I dead? No.
So were they.
Goodbye, buddies.
Think they'll bill me for those servers?
Keep adding zeros. Good God. Well, this is some Article 5 shit. What kind of tech advantage is worth that? No, we're missing something.
NATO has to set us loose on this. Find some answers.
NATO's losing allies by the day, Murphy. If we got the truth, would they want to hear it? It's locked defended. No, we made it!
Hold on!
Damn. We are dying. We are dying. Oh no. Wake up, my friends.
Blake, you okay? I can still shoot. Armstrong.
You fucked up, buddy. You fucked up.
legs broke, but I'm still here.
Poor guy.
Come on, buddy. Did we get clear?
No way. No way, we are dead.
Oh, fuck, they're cutting us off. This is Tempest 1-2 actual. Any friendlies in range? We need immediate evac. Any station.
Murph, what's the plan?
unconquerable spirit. They gave us that motto for a reason.
I wonder if it was buffering or lagging when I started playing story mode,
Watch
bruh.
each other's backs. No matter how it ends, it's been an honor. We still faithful? Always. On my lead. Get ready to fend. Let's give them hell.
Man, this is crazy. Look at this. Look at this crazy, guys.
Hold! We go out on our feet!
Oh no.
Oh shit! Fuck! Make 'em work for it!
I got no ammo. We are dying. We are dead, man.
No retreat! Hold fast!
Oh no. Oh my goodness. I'm the only one.
No, you're okay.
I'm the only one left.
It's like before. Blake. Martinez.
Now Pax
Like,
Armada have opened that wound
time
after
to time
NATO's
it
kept
says
safe for
loading.
decades. And there's no way we're
Is it
letting them
happening
have
to you
it
as
without a
well?
fight.
Dagger, this is Pax's ballsiest play yet. If they succeed, they will have secured the most strategic rock in the history of warfare. The British Squad Lancer are already on deck and in position. Hey, Devil Dogs! Want to help our friends take back this rock? 1 minute! Bills, you hearing me?
We're gonna jump.
5x5, send it. Set. From there it's a short hump to Pax's anti-air defense, our second objective.
Before the story mode, there are logs but not visible. Now I watch the story time this happens. I don't think it's about bitrate. I don't know, man, why it happens. There is no reason. I have lowered the bitrate. It should be okay now.
Landing, Dagger.
The
Mills out.
graphic quality is also lower.
Never a dull moment on this fucking
I don't know.
Ready for this?
It might be YouTube as well. I now closed the YouTube completely and it is processed in the settings and opened again.
Alright,
It
Gecko.
works fine, I guess.
Let's
There's no
introduce
problem.
Dagger to the rock.
I don't know. Maybe we will restart the game later. If you think it's too much, let me know later. We will check, okay? Wow, look at this, man. Impressive. No, you die.
Fuck!
Okay, yeah, let me know, please.
ME1, radio check. You with us, Lancer?
Reading you loud and clear, Dagger. We're waiting for you at the link-up point.
Copy that. We good?
On your 6.
Even though I lowered the bitrate, probably the game or the stream detects my bitrate high, you know? Oh, they're gone? Oh shit. Goodbye, bitch.
On it.
Where is the power? Where? Go, go, go. The way he runs. Come on. Regroup with Lancer. We're going there.
Roger. Let's hustle then.
Not even a week and packs are already heavily entrenched. The ship packs have stirred up. Shipping lanes, trade routes. Takes a lot of nerve to make a play like this.
They're sparking old feuds for a reason. Fracturing long-standing alliances. Whoever's putting the bill wants to shake up the world and throw it.
Radar station ahead. Alternating bounding at the gate. Get into position. Don't hang around. We won't wait for you.
Me first, man. I'm the captain. Ah, we go for this side. Okay. No worries.
Overwatch position ahead.
Copy.
Lancer, we're in position. Roger, what you say?
Fuck. We've been spotted. Lancer. Engage.
Goodbye. We are very low.
Area secured. Advancing on the radar station now.
Nice. Area secured.
Position in the tower. Tracking. We got your back.
We cooked them.
Second position. On me.
Copy that.
Mills, you
I'm
got
trying to
me?
find the weapon that you recommended me yesterday.
Moving to an overwatch position.
M4, right?
We start slinging rounds downrange.
Good work, Dagger 1-3. Report back once the station's down. Mills out.
Onward and upward. Contact! Dagger, we need you! Get
I'm going.
Hustle, Gecko, up the tower. Multiple tangos ahead, over! Focus on the high-profile targets and the direct threat to the Lancer.
Copy.
We're still in position. Over.
Copy that! We're pushing up now! Give us some cover!
What is this weapon?
Gecko, shooter at the main structure. Don't let him get a beat on him.
Look, the
Infantry,
main
cover
structure.
order.
How?
Smoke him.
The sniper?
Target. Mid-lane.
Clean. Shooter down.
Copy. Lancer. Take out that fifth.
Gotcha. All dead?
Main structure.
What the are you doing?
Stay low and get RPG still firing.
Where? I don't see the RPG. Which one? Where's the RPG?
Cover me while I reload.
Come on, man. You're slow. All dead?
This way. Dagger 1-3,
Alright,
we're in
alright.
structure
I got it.
now. Setting charges.
The mission is not done yet.
To the target.
What else should I do
Sit
here?
rep, Lancer.
We're clear. Seeking cover.
Alright.
Stand by. 5,
What am I supposed to do here?
3, 2,
Come?
1. Firing now.
Damn.
Target destroyed. Thanks for the assist, Dagger. En route to secondary objective. Likewise, Lancer. Heading to the tunnels now. Good luck. Dagger out. Let's roll.
Moving.
Incoming artillery. Check clear.
Oh no. Come on, man. Come on, move. Move.
Now, through the tunnel. Dagger, you copy? Repeat, Dagger 1-3.
It blows up. That's perfect. Yeah, man. Explosions are crazy.
Lancer, you read me? What's your status?
Open the door. Open the door.
We're a military powerhouse, and the radios are still pieces of junk.
Well, at least these tunnels will give us cover to move on the AAAs. Come on. Let's get to the exit. Right ahead. Caution. Clear.
Man, this graphics are crazy. Look at
Remember
this.
this from the briefing. Underground
Holy
World War II
moly.
Museum.
Good looking, huh?
Cool, huh? Oh man, these guys were tough. No PMCs back in their day. You know any mercs?
Been on joint ops with them, and a few I served with signed up, but PAX. Nah, nobody I know would stoop that low.
Got some
M4A1.
equipment here.
PAX
This is
must be
one.
using the tunnels.
This is the one that
Take it. Could be
I
useful.
liked, I guess.
Weapons ready.
Oh shit.
Launching frag!
Push up.
Goodbye. Has too much load. Too much. What's called? Too much recoil.
Open fire.
Roger that.
Launching frag!
Goodbye.
Close some holes in the launcher. We can flank them.
Frag out!
Area clear.
You mean it's lagging
Which way?
or
Exit's down. Help me with the elevator.
what is that? If it charges full. If you don't, if it blows up, that's perfect. If you don't believe me,
Dropping chem light.
you watch your stream on the phone, you can see. Bro, what do you say? What do you mean? You mean the it is lagging or
Descending.
I feel like we are gonna fall down. Oh, you good?
Mills, copy.
Good to hear you're in one piece, Dagger.
We're through the tunnel system. Moving on the objective now.
Understood. Report back when Pax's anti-air is down. Mills
Oh
out.
shit! Nice looking, man.
Dagger 1-3, how copy? Reading you loud and clear. You've been sightseeing. Encountered some tourists, but we're still on track. Glad to hear it. Get them from here.
I'm checking on my phone. There's no problem. But I will do something else, okay? I'm going to do something else. One moment. It should be okay now. Trying to find the bazooka somewhere here. I died.
Open fire.
What was that?
Throwing frag! Launcher down! Weapons free.
Copy.
Cover me! Reloading!
Nice work. Proud of yourself?
Sometimes.
Dagger, be advised. We're spotting packs
This time it should be okay, bro. This time it should be okay. I really lowered too much the bit rate.
Reloading! Keep them off me!
What the heck?
Shotgunner down! Open fire! Launching grenade! Engineer KIA! Engineer KIA!
What about now?
What's your sit rep? With those air defenses still active, the full assault can't happen.
Let me disable my bit rate, my Wi-Fi.
Got allied forces on the horizon waiting for your signal.
The skies will be clear, Mills.
Now I'm using my mobile phone
Contact once they are.
data.
NATO's counting on it.
No pressure then?
That's why we wear this other.
It should be okay now.
And if it doesn't work, we'll call Meg.
In the morning,
We're taking heavy fire. What's your status? Lancer, we're coming from the slope to your south. Check your fire. Copy that. Good to see you, cowboy. Target that building. Clear him out. Send it to him, Marines.
can I use this? No.
Shotgunner down!
Gunner down. Oh my god, I'm burning. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Weapons free!
You know I am low. Is this the same? No, wallah, I don't think it's my problem. I have lowered all the bitrate all the way down.
Thanks again.
I'm using my bitrate.
We got 2 more emplacements still.
I'm using my mobile connection. For me, everything's fine. I don't use Wi-Fi. I use my mobile data. Still good. There's no problem.
Friendly down. We need suppressive fire. Helo inbound. Engage those reinforcements. Gecko, grab that launcher. Pushing onto the lobs, AAA.
Solid hit. Helo down.
Destroy.
Changing weapon!
Launcher's far away.
Shotgun is down!
Man, I'm in the middle. Wallah. I'll die. What are you looking, guys?
Need to reload! Cover me!
We gotta push through that last AAA.
Sniper down!
Are you sure, or you just saying that it's okay? I think it should be okay now, bro. But I would like to know if it's working or not working. Let me know. Man, how do you hit me like this? I'm gonna die. Oh my goodness. Wallah, başla ha. Is that okay? I don't know what I have to destroy. Oh, it's far away. Let's change the weapon again. All the same, no? It's my friend, sorry. Başla. Yeah, I knew it, man. The beat was so big, no, so high. That's why it was buffering and lagging. If it still loads, let me know. I will try to fix it next stream.
Launching grenade! Shotgunner down!
Goodbye. Oh my god, no.
Frag out!
You finished? Goodbye. I think the bitrate is low and the stream is still looking good. I thought it would be blurry, but no. You see that it is clear now.
Airspace is clear. You just got us a foothold in this fight. Lopez and Murphy are on the USS Macon off the coast of Gibraltar. Hemlock, a specialized skills officer, will be contacting them now.
Okay, Brajan, don't worry, really. You might be tired. You can also go to rest some, take some rest. Don't worry about anything else. Johnny John.
Here she is. El Peñón de Gibraltar. All set, Murph?
Damn, look at this.
Be advised, Carter and Espina are heading down towards Old Town. Once you join them, all ask the PAX TOC. Intelligence reports a PAX commander at the target.
Roger that.
And you'll be part of the beach landing. The Macon's under attack! Disembark now!
Marines, get in! We need to get clear of the ship now! I got the turret!
We're gonna be driver or? What am I supposed to do here?
Just made it out. Copy.
Who's shooting us? Oh, mines, of course. I'm trying.
Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2 inbound. One Mike for the BOS. Under heavy fire.
I'm trying.
Holy smoke, that was close. Ready for beachhead. Contact fire. Engaging. First wave of troops deployed. Advancing. Push through their defenses. Bravo 4. Bravo 4. They're using toes. Incoming. We're hit. Shit. Stowe. Lopez. Eyes front. Perfect. All targets. Mark. They've got ATM and clunkers. Clear them out. Working on it. Enemy 12 o'clock. Engaging. We got multiple hostiles incoming. White has the first to fire. Take out those launchers. These fuckers ain't giving up easy. Taking fire. We're taking damage. They're falling back. Taking fire.
Who's shooting us?
Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2, inbound north. I'm on target 1 Mike. AO release in 30 seconds. Over.
Are they my friends? No. They're enemies.
This position is heavily fortified. Put suppressive fire on it now.
Holy moly.
Jesus! Cat cutting is close. We got friendlies pushing through. Covering fire. Contact 12 o'clock. We're taking damage.
Where are you guys? Where are you?
Fuck! They're pinned down! Go! Hold us here! Coming in from my flank!
Man, who's shooting us? This is so slow.
Taking fire! We're hit! Get them off us! Look! We got casualties! Multiple hostiles! 3 o'clock! I'm going out there! Moving ram! Moving to the wounded! Cover me! First, I need a clear lane to load up the wounded on the Amtrak! I'll cover you! Multiple hostiles incoming!
I'm trying.
Take out those tangos! We got friendly armor pushing in low. Now's your chance. Stone, I can't move him forward.
Nice. Let's go.
Get in the M-track! All hostiles down. We're clear.
Nice.
Go! We need to get these dudes to the CCP. Negative. Patch them up best you can, Low. Stone, take them on to CCP after we've linked up with the rest of Dagger. Copy. I got you. Let me work on that. We need to stop the bleeding. Murphy! We need some help down here. You! Turret! I need to patch him up. Keep pressure on this wound. I got you. What unit you with?
They just lit us up. We were the first wave. They just tore right through us. It was a shooting gallery. Clear ramp! Clear ramp!
Clear ramp.
Not advanced with anti-tank in the AO. Switching to ultimate this ship.
Murph, take out that artillery! We need Charlie 5 in the fight!
Man, what is this?
Sending frag! Toes down!
Charlie 5, toes are down. Clear to move in.
Good copy, Dagger 1-3. Advancing. Contact 12 o'clock! Pax reinforcement!
Explosive
Charlie 5 engaging.
Shotgunner down!
They have shields.
Multiple enemy. Opening fire.
Oh my goodness, no. Oh shit.
Hostile spotted. Engaging.
You gotta help me, man.
Charlie 5 on the move.
We're clear. Hemlock. We've linked up with Murphy and Lopez.
Copy. Provide an escort for Charlie 5. Approach the TOC with extreme vigilance. Intel suggests it's heavily defended.
You heard the man.
Bruh, I know what is the problem. Don't watch the stream in 2K. Lower it to 72p, okay?
Objective is to escort
70p.
Charlie 5 to the TOC. Once we've found our Overwatch, we move on the compound and secure that PAX commander.
Good to have your support.
Try this way, it will be fixed.
Using the buildings for cover. Perfect for an ambush.
Roger that. Raiders, get high and low. Cover your sectors. Contact.
Ammo drive!
Can I drive the car?
Launcher eliminated! Clear!
Keep that armor moving.
Copy!
Come on, man, move.
Take cover.
Check the windows!
Taking damage.
I'm out!
It should be better now. What the fuck? Building is getting down. Oh my god.
You're good to go, Charlie 5. Moving. We've picked up radio chatter. Packs are dug in ahead.
Let's heal the tank.
Explosive in place.
Nice work, Murph.
Launcher on the rooftop!
Where?
Target above. Neutralized.
The route's blocked. Down the stairs, through the alleyway. Push through. Copy.
What's going on?
Weapons free.
Over here, Marine!
We're taking heavy fire. Dagger, protect Charlie 5.
Goodbye, buddy.
We're clear.
Reach the hole.
Advance, Charlie
Okay.
5.
Negative, Dagger 1-3. We cannot advance until all hostiles in the immediate area are down.
Roger. Dagger, clear the streets.
Tango above down. Frag out. Raiders, all hostiles eliminated.
Nice.
Back at Charlie 5. Weapon secured.
Friendly's ahead. Dagger. Lancer, where's McIntyre? He's advancing on the enemy position.
Engage.
Roger that!
Fuck! Armor! Get the cover, Marines! Fight the enemy. Use the buildings. Charlie 5, hold position. Hold.
C4 set.
Keep pushing!
Enemy armor's out of the fight.
Take out that armor before it wipes us out!
Charlie 5, all enemies eliminated. Advance.
Moving, Dagger 1-3.
This game is good, man. At least I feel sleepy.
Over here, Marine!
Oh, sorry.
Charlie 5, hold. The road's blocked.
Roger, Dagger 1-3. Holding back and we'll wait for your...
Rooftop? Rooftop?
We got stairs here.
Marines, with me. Move up.
With you. Moving up.
Stay alert. Scan the windows and rooftops. Cover your sectors.
Scanning high.
I got low. We need to find that Overwatch position.
There's no route through.
Found an opening.
Evacuation.
Imagine leaving everything behind just like that.
You think we made it out?
Dagger, through here.
Assalamualaikum.